Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to delete a project in Picsart. To delete a project in Picsart, open up the Picsart application on your device. Now go ahead and tap on the See All button right next to Recent Project, and all of your projects that you have been working on will be displayed on the screen. Press and hold the project that you want to delete and tap the Delete button. Confirm the deletion by tapping Delete, and the project will be deleted. Repeat this step for every other project you'd like to delete from the list. To delete multiple projects at once, tap the three dots at the top right corner and tap on Select. Now select or choose the project that you'd like to remove from the list, and once you make multiple selection, tap on the trash icon at the bottom right and click on Delete. Right after you do that, you will be able to delete projects in Picsart. The selected project will now be permanently removed. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more easy tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.